Hi loves, welcome back to my space. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you're an OG, I see you. So guys, if you say this, hey, you know it's about to go down. So these are amazing bags that I've been selling. They have this leather and they are sling verbs. So people have bought these bags for me, and if you have bought this bag, I truly appreciate you. So today I'm going to show you what to use to clean them. So this is water. We're using pure water to clean the Sisal because and also we're using hand wash, and we have Vaseline. You'll know what Vaseline is at the end. So what we go ahead and do is the Sisal and the leather, they don't require a lot of water. I know someone will ask, why didn't you wash it basin or something, or the sink? It's because it doesn't require a lot of water. That's why you see me doing this. So I'm just going to add a little of hand wash to my washing cloth, and also a little on the water, and then you're just going to tap that. You see what I'm doing? Very little. You just tap and then you press so that you don't transfer a lot of water to the bag. So once you're done with that, we're going to clean the Sisal. As I said, just look how secure that is. Look how secure that bag is. Anyway, so we're going to clean the Sisal. So as I said, you just press the water kidogo. Usiweke water mob, maji nyingi, usiweke maji nyingi, okay? So we're going to wipe it. And trust me, with the first wipe, you will see a difference. With the first wipe, you will see, because the hand wash removes a lot of dirt very fast. It removes dirt very fast. I've not tried using bar soap or any other soap because I don't have a reason. I don't have a reason as to why I haven't tried, but it's just that I believe on hand soaps. Yeah. So once you've cleaned your Sisal, we go ahead and clean the inner part of this leather, as in ngozi. The other side is pure ngozi, you know. So you just go ahead and clean that, and as you can see, it's already, you can already see how clean it's getting, like how it's changing immediately. There's a big change, you can see on that. Yeah. So we go ahead and do that, and once you've done that, then the other sides is the side side leather. As you can see, this bag, these are my boho bags. I call them boho bags. Guy, hey, what am I even saying today? Anyway, call them boho bags. So you can see on the other side, the sides, they are made of pure leather, and then akiwala it's ngozi, trust me. And then Sisal on the other sides. Yeah, the two sides are ngozi, the other ones are Sisal. So both ngozi and leather, both ngozi and Sisal, they don't require water, a lot of water. That's why we don't dip them in water, because we want it to last. So we're going ahead to do this, and then as you have seen from the inside, it's just what is it called? Leather, not leather. It's a lining attached. So with different bags, we have different linings. So for this boho, all the boho bags, you'll find that attached lining. This one is cotton, or is it cotton? Yeah. And there is another one which has what is the tetron, the one that looks like paper. It's tetron. So the others, tetron, are very easy to clean, very easy, because once you wipe tetron on the inside, it doesn't even need time to dry. You can wipe and carry immediately. But for this one, we'll just go ahead and wipe inside. So as I said, we're just going to let it dry once we're done. So once you've cleaned the lining, umetoa uchafu yote, we go ahead and clean the leather on the sides, you know, just to remove any marks. Maybe ulimwagilia chai kabaki, maybe ulimwagiliwa na juice or something, maybe uliangusha kwa uchafu. We just go ahead and wipe that, okay? And then, as I said, don't transfer a lot of water. You can already see my water is starting to be dirty, and also my washing cloth is turning color, and that's because the bag was dirty. Okay, so it's taking all the dirt, it's absorbing all the dirt, and then we're going to clean the handle, which is the, you know, that sling. This part is the most dirtiest part, because you rub it off your shoulder, blah blah blah. You hold onto it when you're maybe walking or something, so it collects a lot of dirt. So this is what we're going to do. We're going ahead to wipe that. Yeah, just a quick wipe. So once you've done with this, imagine your bag is going to be superb. Your bag is going to turn like a brand new bag by the end of this video. And it's simple cleaning, and you don't have to do this. You don't have to wash your bags every week. So you can see the white parts are showing like how cute they are now, and you can tell the difference between before and now. So at this point we're done. This is just it. You're done with that. So we're going to let it dry, and also because it's leather and sisal, don't put it to direct sun. So we're just going to let it dry, put it in a place where, an open place that doesn't have direct sunlight. Yeah, so you don't allow it to dry at even usiende kwanika kwa hanga, my friends. Usianike kwa hanga kama nini bags za shule zile za nini za tafi sijui za nini. No, this one we don't hang it outside. We just place it somewhere where it's going to get air and stuff, and a little to kasan, but not direct. Then we have these other kind of bags. Now these are the normal kiondos that I carry. Apart from the boho, these are the normal ones that you will see me with this bag anywhere, any day. Trust me. So this one, you also do the same. However, for this one, the only difference is it has a cotton lining. It has a different lining, yeah. And for this one, because it has a lot of space, these ones have a lot of space. So we're going to do the same thing on the outside. Ensure that you clean panguza with a little water. Usieke maji nyingi. Just go ahead and wipe. Just look at the colors. Look at the colors, guys. You can be able to order these bags on my Instagram. Just make your order. These are perfect bags. It has space, it carries a lot of things, and then it's the festive season. We're going to the festive season, so if you're worried about what you're going to give to your girls, your mom, your sisters, you know, anyone you want to gift and you don't have a gift idea, this is it. You see the lining, as I said, the lining is different. This lining is totally different from the normal one, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this lining is washed just the normal way as you wash your clothes. Just pull it out of the bag because it will come outside, and then wash just the way you wash your clothes. And then for these you just put it kwa sun, the lining facing where the sun is coming from, yeah. So once you put on that on the sun, just let it dry, but don't put it on direct sunlight for too long. Allow me to let you know that you don't dry it sisal for long, because it's hard. The sisal is going to get hard and it's going to spoil. So once you're done, this is our boho. For this boho, it's dry already. So I want to show you how to take care of now the leather on this end, so that you have a beautiful bag, an aging bag. It's not aging like every time you move, it's pure, it looks new. So the secret is Vaseline. And this Vaseline is the original Vaseline. I've not tried the other Vaseline. I'm just using the original one, ile ya kitambo. Some people will tell me, oh, use suede. Oh yeah, sometimes I use suede whenever I feel like now the leather is old and I want to bring it back to life. I'll use suede. However, for this one, because it's not old and it's also, you just need the glow, you're trying to keep the glow, just look at that. Look when you apply the glow on it. So the easiest way to do this, easiest, affordable and amazing way to do this is apply Vaseline. And what I'm doing is I'm applying Vaseline to the leather just to give it more life, more, you know, more glow. It looks so good. So Vaseline will forever restore your leather, even your shoes or other bags, other leather bags. If you see your leather bag is now trying to look some type of way, it's look old and you don't want to use suede, Vaseline is the way to go. Just look at how cute that turned out. Yeah, look at how that bag turned out. You can't even tell it's the same bag that we had. It looks so good, and it's you never broke a bag to make your bag look new. You just applied Vaseline to it and it came back to life, you know. So this is the trick that I wanted to show you guys on how to clean your bags, your boho bags, your kiondo. And yeah, Vaseline is the way to go. Just look at that. Just look at how cute it turned and how the glow on that bag. If you move this bag, if you carry this bag today and you go to town, someone will be like, it's a new bag. If you tell someone you have had this bag for a whole year, no one will believe you, because hey, it turned out so amazing. So we're going to do the same every part that has leather. And also when you are doing this on on the handle, on the sling, just check on this. The other side is not pure, is not leather like. The other side is ngozi, like you can tell. So don't apply mafuta to the other side. Just apply on the outer side and you're good to go. The other side, not to worry. Sometimes you just brush it off if it brings to if it tries to move, because as I said, it's ngozi. So you just brush it off and that's it, with a soft brush. So at this point we are done. Our bag is done. That's the most easiest way to make your bag look as new. Just look at that. Look at that. So if you bought a bag from me and you've been wondering how you're going to clean it, I hope this video helps you. I hope you've learned a few things here. And if you want to make an order, if you're in Nakuru, you can find us at Oginga Odinga Road, along Tidies. That's Kabarabara Tidies. Also, you can get to make an order using Instagram at Likia_Kimze. You can be able to get that, or Likia Starch. You can be able to do that. Okay. You can also link up, call me wherever you can. If you have my number, call me. I'll deliver this to you. This is the festive seasons. I'm going to give you discounts. So follow me up. Follow me on Instagram to know the discounts. And guys, I love how it is turned out. As I said, I hope this video helps you. And thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly love you. Thank you so much for the support. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye. I love you guys. I love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.